To send crypto with Robinhood. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store and create an account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, tap the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen to navigate to the Crypto section of the app. From there, select the cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, tap the Send button, which is usually represented by a paper airplane icon. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to enter the address correctly, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. You can enter the address manually or scan the recipient's QR code if they have one. After entering the address, specify the amount of crypto you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount of crypto or a specific amount of money. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount of crypto being sent, the recipient's wallet address, and any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, tap the Send button to initiate the transaction. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are processed on a blockchain network and may take some time to complete. You can track the status of your transaction in the app. It is also important to note that Robinhood only allows you to send crypto to external wallets that support the same cryptocurrency. For example, you can only send Bitcoin to a wallet that supports Bitcoin. Before sending crypto, make sure your account is enabled for crypto transfers and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transaction amount and any applicable fees. By following these steps, you can easily send crypto with Robinhood. Remember to always double-check the recipient's wallet address and the transaction details before initiating a transaction to avoid any errors.